So here we need to find the point or the points where this line is going to intersect the circle with this center point and this radius. So a circle with that specific center point and a radius of 2 is going to have the equation x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared, and that is going to be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. And we need to know when that intersects the line y equals x plus 3. Well, if we have a look into our circle equation, instead of writing a y here, we can write x plus 3 because we're looking for when these things are equal. So if we substitute that in, so we've got x minus 3 squared plus x plus 3 minus 4 squared is equal to 4. Now if we start to continue this, so x minus 3 squared plus, now x plus 3 minus 4 becomes x minus 1 squared, and that needs to be equal to 4. Now if we expand these brackets out now, so we get x squared take 6x plus 9, and over here we get x squared take 2x plus 1, and we'll subtract our 4 so that this equation is set to 0. Now if we group our like terms, so we group all of our x squareds up, we've got 2x squared. If we group up our x's, we've got negative 6x and negative 2x. We've got minus 8x. And if we just group up our digits, our 9, our 1, and our minus 4, so our constants there, we end up with plus 6. Again, we can divide all of this through by 2, so we get x squared take 4x plus 3 equals 0. This equation is now factorizable, so we end up with x minus 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we see that x can be 3 or x equals 1. Now if we want the y coordinate, we just substitute those x values back into this linear equation. So we see that when x is 3, y would be 6, and when x is 1, y would be equal to 4. So we get the point 3, 6 and the point 1, 4, and those would be our 2 points there.